Hello everyone. I am Rachel and I am going to discuss about a very interesting topic today. Do you want to play with a macaw in your house like Shreyan? Or a cat? Or sit with a panda on your sofa like Sayanika? Or sleep with a tiger on your bed like Sutup? You can all of these using augmented reality technology. In today's episode 1 will tell you about augmented reality technology and how to have fun with it. Augmented reality is an interactive experience of a real-world environment where the objects that reside in the real world are enhanced by computer-generated perceptual information. AR can be defined as a system that fulfills 3 basic features: a combination of real and virtual worlds, real-time interaction, and accurate 3D registration of virtual and real objects. And mind you, it is different from a virtual reality or VR. In virtual reality, the user's perception of reality is completely based on virtual information. In augmented reality, the user is provided with additional computer-generated information that enhances their perception of reality. For example, in architecture, VR can be used to create a walk-through simulation of the inside of a new building, and AR can be used to show a building's structures and systems superimposed on a real-life view. Let's see some of the best examples of augmented reality. You really can't have an augmented reality conversation without mentioning Nintendo's Pokémon Go app. The smash hit of 2016, Pokémon Go allowed users to catch their favorite Pokémon by looking through their phones at the real world, but with superimposed images. Apart from furniture with fun names, IKEA is also known in the tech world as one of the first companies to use augmented reality well. The retailer began experimenting with augmented reality back in 2012, when shoppers could use the app to see how tables and shelves would look in various places around your house. A few years ago, Disney created a unique way for children to see their favorite characters in 3D using augmented reality. The research team developed technology using AR that would project colored images from a coloring book into 3D renderings using a mobile phone or tablet. Not all examples of augmented reality are fun and games. The United States Army is experimenting with augmented reality programs to be used in combat that would help soldiers distinguish between enemies and friendly troops, as well as improve night vision. There are many more examples. Now, let's see how we can have fun with AR ourselves. Go to Google and type tiger. You will find the image of a tiger. Click on View 3D. Wow! Now you can see a tiger in 3D. If you are using an iPhone, just click on AR. This option will be visible for all AR-enabled phones. If your mobile phone is not AR-enabled, you can download apps like Arlupa, Augmented, etc. from Google Play Store. That's all folks. See you soon. Goodbye.